Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to share photos, videos or any other files through quick share in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to top of your phone here and click on quick share. Just to turn on quick share. Okay, click on continue and turn on Bluetooth as well, and here select everyone and click on done, so you can share between devices. Okay, so here I am going to open gallery and I am going to share this photo. Okay, so what I have to do is click on share button here, and here you have to click on quick share. Okay, this button. Okay, before that you have to enable quick share in other device too. Okay, so here I am bringing another device, and in this device also you have to click on quick share. You have to turn on quick share. Okay, turn on this button quick share and click on everyone here too. Click on done. Okay, now come to your Oppo phone and here click on quick share and give permission, and yes, phone is available. My phone is available, Mingy phone. Okay, this is okay, just click on it and this will be sent to this phone. Okay, this photo will be sent to this phone, and here it is requesting that one image will be receiving. Just click on accept. Okay, and yes, it is accepted, and in downloads it will be showing. Okay, see here. So in this way you can easily send photos, videos or any other files through quick share in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That is all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.